It's a little dusty right now. Y'all probably can't tell on camera, maybe a little bit, but it's definitely a little dusty from just sitting. And then y'all know we got the 6x5s, all 4 of them DS18s right here for the door panels. This is the audio pipes that we made a video on. And then here go the new ones. You feel me? So yeah, like I said, I tried to find a 2-inch space. I couldn't find none. So I had to just opt out and get this 1-inch again. And it is working perfectly. Y'all can see it's flush. The only thing we have to do is trim this little part right here so it sit a little bit better. And we're going to have to do it on both, because as of right now it's poking from right here on both, and I don't like that. I want it to be flush with the pods that's a part of the door panel. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now, y'all know already, I told y'all that I didn't really want to cut on the Cutlass door. For one, right behind where I will have to cut at is the window motors, you know what I'm saying? So I didn't want to cut and then I accidentally cut too far and go into the window motor, you know what I'm saying, and tear something up. So I went ahead and ordered another set of 1-inch space. So now I have 2 sets of 1-inch spaces for each door, and that'll make it 2 inches, you feel me? But I don't want it to also poke out too far. So if it's gonna look like it's gonna poke out too far, y'all know I've already got this saw set, so I can just use this saw set and try to make the circle. But like I said, man, I don't know if the speakers will hit the window motor as well. So I don't know, y'all, you feel me? I'm still trying to figure out how everything finna go. But like I said, I got this saw set, so if I need to, then I can just make the perfect circle instead of cutting it out with like a sawzall or with my grinder, you know what I'm saying? I got me a brand new grinder. So yeah, man, it'll all get figured out once the car come back. But like I said, man, if y'all look right here, that is the box for the brand new speaker spacers, you know what I'm saying? So now I got 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. Now I got 8 speaker spacers, 1 inches. So if I stack them up together, they're equal up to 2 inches, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, like I said, man, once we get the car back, then we can figure out how everything gonna go. I don't want to cut on that car, but I also don't want the speakers to poke out too far, you know what I'm saying? Because if y'all look, when I drive, I don't drive with my legs close together, you know what I'm saying? I let my leg rest on the door panel and stuff like that, you know. And if the speakers poking out too far, I don't know how that's gonna work. So yeah, man, I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this, how I'm gonna do it. And I've seen a couple videos of people actually using the door panels that I have with the 2 6.5-inch holes, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't see them use no speaker spacers. They just cut out the frame of their door, but they didn't have automatic windows. They had manual windows, so you had to crank it to roll it down, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, man, like I said, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but these speaker spacers were only $20. So for all of them, I spent a total of $40, and shipping was free. So I'm not too worried about it, but then again, it could have been a waste of $20 I could use for something else. So like I said, you'll never know until I get the car back. But that's the plan as of right now, is to stack them up, and if they look like they're gonna poke too far, then I'm gonna have to just cut out a little hole for the magnet part of the speaker, you feel me? So yeah, what we're gonna do in this video, I'm gonna get out the car, I'm gonna go grab the door panels and the speakers from out of the crib, take these spacers with me to the back, stack up 2 of them together, and just see how it's gonna look from there, you feel me? Before I even do it, I'm already thinking it's gonna look like it's gonna poke too far, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, man, it's all in the journey, you know. It'll all work out hopefully in the end, hopefully, you feel me, bro? So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video though. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Y'all see I'm sweating. It's so hot, bro. This summer it is so hot, man, but we gotta keep grinding regardless. So let me go ahead and get all the material and everything out that we need to make this video possible, and I'll catch y'all once I get to the back of the car, or Actually, when I get all the stuff out, I'll catch y'all once I get everything out. Alright y'all, so got everything out now, and bro, I'm telling y'all, every time I look at this door panel, it just gets me so excited to actually get that car back and start installing stuff, working on it, customizing all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? Just every time I look at it, bro, it looks so good to me. So it's a little dusty right now. Y'all probably can't tell on camera, maybe a little bit, but it's definitely a little dusty from just sitting. And then y'all know we got the 6x5s, all 4 of them DS18s right here for the door panels. This is the audio pipes that we made a video on. And then here go the new ones. You feel me? So yeah, I don't have to open this pack, since that one's already open. So I'm gonna just leave this in the box, and then whenever we get finished with it, I'm gonna put these in this box as well, so they'll all be in one box. I don't have to have so many packages still just sitting. So yeah, this is what we working with. And y'all know, like I told you, I'm gonna have to trim it around so it'll sit flush. But yeah, that's how it's gonna be. But yeah, hold on one second, y'all. Alright, my bad about that. So look, first thing we need to do is go ahead and put 2 of these DS18 6.5 speakers out. 1 and 2. Hook this box up. We done with this for now. And then y'all know we have to put all 4 of these spaces out, so we can just mock them up on here. And like I said, I don't think I'm gonna do a double stack, because that just looks too tall. Look at that. That just looks too tall. So I'm gonna just do 1. I'm probably going to just cut out the back. And like I said, if I do decide to do 2, then I'll have an extra set. If I don't, then I'll still have an extra set if I ever need them again for any other projects, you know what I'm saying? So let me sit y'all right here, put y'all down, there you go. So gotta pull out these speakers first. One of them. And like I said, y'all know we got this saw set, so if I do decide to cut on the door, I'll just use this saw set to go through the door and match it up with the bottom of this magnet, which looks like it might be too little. I might not have the right one. Okay, this one's perfect. Fits perfectly. So I'll have to use this, which is the biggest saw blade that I have. Y'all can see there's literally no more left in this box, so I have to use that one. Even though I don't want to cut on that door, like I said already, but if I have to, I will. I won't really have a choice now, would I? So yeah, we got the saw set. So if I, like I said, if I do decide to do that, then that's what I will do. Stack 2 of these. Don't even look like. Yeah, so 2 of them would be perfect. Even though, like I said, I don't want to do that because it's gonna look like it's gonna look too far out, in my opinion. I don't know, bro. Let me go ahead and open this one though. I'm gonna try and see. Hold on, y'all, bear with me. Oh, okay, so maybe I go back to back like this instead of having it like that. Go backwards so they'll line up a little better. Because if I go forward, they don't line up well. You see? And that's with me having one side even. There's still a gap there, so I probably have to go back to back so it'll be flush and just look like one. We'll rock out like that, so it'll be flush. So I'll go ahead and fit that one. So this should be the same. I mean, maybe it ain't too bad, but it just looked like it's poking too much, you know? Look at that. It just looked like it's gonna poke way too much. And it's obviously two different spacers. Like I said, I've been looking and I couldn't find no 2-inch spacer nowhere. I seen a 1.5 and I tried to order that, but the 1.5 was slanted. So it was like 1.5 here, but then it goes down to, I think, an inch. I think that's what it was. So, let's set this on the ground real quick. Put that down there. Put this speaker box down here too, so we can get somewhat of a better image. Try and even it up. So yeah, like I said, I tried to find a 2-inch space, I couldn't find none. So I had to just opt out and get this 1-inch again. And it is working perfectly, as y'all can see, it's flush. Now the only thing we have to do is trim this little part right here so it'll sit a little bit better. And we're going to do it on both, because as of right now it's poking from right here on both, and I don't like that. I want it to be flush with the pods that's a part of the door panel. But y'all leave your opinions, what y'all think. Y'all think it poked too much? I think it's a little too big, bro. But that's probably, I'm gonna probably work out with this for a little bit, get my dad's opinion on it as well, see what he say, and then if he say he just cut a little hole, then I would do that. But like I said, I didn't want to cut the hole on the doors. But at least I know I have the right saw, which is this biggest one here for the back of the magnet of the speakers. But yeah, I mean, I could also paint these blue, but I kind of like the black, because like I told y'all, it flows like one black strip at the bottom. And then y'all know I forgot my covers in the house, but y'all know I got the covers to go on the speakers. And yeah, so y'all just leave y'all opinions in the comments, what y'all think. If y'all think that's too much, let me know. I honestly, bro, I honestly don't know what I think. Let me take a couple quick pictures. 1, 2, bring y'all up so y'all can see too. Alright. Alright, got a couple good pictures. So this is, y'all know, the door panel in one frame again. And that's what the spacers will look like. So they'll sit flush if I turn one of them upside down, which wouldn't really bother me. You know what I'm saying? It wouldn't bother me. I just want them to sit flush. But you'll still see that line, bro. You'll still see the line that splits the two spacers apart. And then, like I said, we're going to, regardless, we gotta cut the bottom one so it'll sit flush here. So I'm gonna use like a pen and start like here, and then mark it with the pen coming across. And I'll stop about right there. Stop about right there. So, and the same thing on this side, come about here maybe, and then trim across. So, yeah. And I use this little small Dremel and Dremel it out, and then try to make it as clean as possible, so it'll look pretty good when it sits flush. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna just start out with using all the spacers, since I, for one, I already bought them, so I just want to go ahead and use them. So I think I'm gonna start out with using all of the spacers like this and just let it poke. Then again, I don't know if it's gonna, it shouldn't hit the dash. Yeah, it should miss all the trim and the dash and everything, because that should come about here. If anything, it should miss all of that. But like I said, I'll probably start off with this, and then after a while go to just one spacer, and then trim out the part for the magnet so it'll sit flush. But like I said, I don't know if it's gonna hit the window motors. That's another thing. I don't know if they're gonna hit, either one of these will hit the window motor. Probably both of them. So that's another problem. But I guess we'll figure everything out once the car come back and we install this door panel and just keep moving forward from there. So yeah, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments, what y'all think, how y'all feel about it. And like I said, once the car come back, then we can get an actual better image. We can put this inside of the car and mock up everything and see how it'll actually be. But I tried to use like the trunk as like a simulation of the actual door. So yeah, with just one, y'all know it was poking, which I can show y'all real quick. Alright, so like I said, with just one, get that out of the way, it's still, see, see what I'm saying? It's still not even that big, but there's still a gap here. You can see what I'm saying? So I don't know, maybe one will be good. Like I said, we got extras just in case, so I won't have to wait on them coming in the mail, even though they came in pretty quick. So regardless, if we end up doing just one and it work, then yeah, we'll have an extra set if I ever need to use it for like any other car or something like that, you know. And then yeah, I'm just gonna keep rocking out like that. Trying to let the truck pass by. Alright, so yeah, like I said, we'll figure it out. I don't see, looking at just the one spacer, bro, it looks so much better than having two. Just look at that poke difference, bro. So maybe just one will work. If not, like I said, we'll figure it out when the time comes, but I have extras just in case. So clean up my mess and I will catch y'all for the outro, so y'all just stay tuned. Alright y'all, so like I said, man, we'll figure everything out once the car come back. Went ahead and bought that other set just so I can have it, you feel me? So I wouldn't have to, when the car comes, I wouldn't have to worry about waiting on it to come in the mail. So like I said, it wasn't nothing but $20, so it'll be alright, you feel me? Could have used that $20 with anything, you know what I'm saying? So it ain't that big of a deal. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video though. Leave y'all opinions in the comments if y'all think doing 2 inches just looks too tacky and too bad, you know what I'm saying? It don't look good. Let me know, you feel me? Like I said, I don't really know what I'm gonna do until I actually get the car back, and then I actually mock everything up with the 1-inch spacer and the speakers, the woofers, not the woofers, but the door speakers, you feel me? Once we mock everything up, then I can actually get an idea of what I actually want to do. And like I said, I didn't want to color the car, but if I have to, I will, you know what I'm saying? But another thing was I didn't want to hit the window motors, even though I have brand new window motors, which I gotta get installed in that car anyways. I gotta put in that car, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know I've been had them window motors since the first time I got the car back, not the last time before we dropped it off for Fab, but the time before that, you know what I'm saying? Like after the carburetor had got, the brand new carburetor got put on that car, that's when I ordered the window motors, and I just never got around to doing it. I tried to do it one time off camera, and you feel me, I could not get it whatsoever. I couldn't even like reach it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I seen it, I touched it and stuff, but I could not reach it to where to get them what's it called, bro? I literally got the tool right here. All the rivets. Tweaking, dog. I'm tweaking. But yeah, man, like I said, honestly I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but at least I went ahead and got them, and they here, you feel what I'm saying? It's only $20, like I said, and now we got 4 1-inch space, not 4 packs, so 8 1-inch spacers for the speakers, you know what I'm saying, for 6.5s. And like I said, if I don't need them, I can give them to my dad might use them, or if I really want to, I can resell them. But like I said, it's just $20, so I'm not stressing it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video though. The speaker spaces are in. Y'all stay tuned for all the rest of the videos. I'm finna try to record today. I'm finna try to knock out maybe 4 today, you feel what I'm saying? And waiting on one thing to come in the mail for the box Chevy, which will complete the interior, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video though, man. It's gonna be the end of this one. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Show the channel, show this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.